In this video, I'll demonstrate the use of the previous day clause. I watched a lot of YouTube videos while learning how to trade. I came across YouTubers mentioning the previous day clause as something to use as a trading strategy, but from my experience, I found it to be very, very powerful trading strategy to use. So, to explain what I have on my chart, I have my Webull custom. I am on the Webull trading platform, and I have my Webull custom indicator, which out was the previous day high and low, which is a green line here, and the low is a red line down here, and it automatically is a previous day close. And the part that we see here, the green line over here and the red line over here, those two are for the pre-market high and low, and the part I have and the yellow line here, and that's shaded in kind of yellowish shade, that's for the opening. This is for the first 5 minutes, but it can be changed to the 15 minutes or 30 minutes or whatever time interval one chooses to use. So for simple over here, just remove the opening range. So I go to my indicator list here. This is my custom indicator, and from the setting I just uncheck this one. So it used to be the 5-minute opening range was showing as a box, like that's shown, the purple and the yellow one. Now it's gone. And just to differentiate, I come to the style, and for the pre-market high and low, I change this now to purple and yellow. So this way we can differentiate the previous day close and the pre-market. Okay. So now coming to the strategy, I mentioned that to use the previous day close, so our orange tick line over here on all the chart, the previous day close. So over here, if you see the SPY at the open, it comes down, it got rejected over here, and then the way down, and when it comes back up, it rejected exactly where the previous day close was. Then just go down. So, and if we go to Apple, for Apple at the open, it come down, and over it was ranging around just below the previous day close, and then once it gets up, there was an immediate retest and then the previous day high, and again over here it comes back and it got rejected from the previous day close, an immediate retest and rejection. And for IWM over here, again, this is a ranging market for IWM. This is a good example to show, but it was all ranging around the previous day close, and it didn't go pre-market low. So it was pre-market low to the previous day close or previous day high over here, almost the same line. So it was there, so that's not a good example. So coming to Google was one of the strongest pairs for the day. And if we see Google, the previous day close was down here. When the stock opens, it already gapped up, so it did test or interact with the previous day close, but it respected the previous day high. So right from the open, it previous day high, and then after it trips a little while, it comes back and just again bounce it off from the previous day high. So this day high could have been used as a good entry location over here. And to add a couple of more charts, I have here QQQ. For QQQ, at the open it rejected at the pre-market high, and then it all comes down here after the previous day close. There was kind of an immediate reject over there, and it just all flushed down, and then after the previous day close, then there was an immediate retest, and it just goes all the way to previous day high. And then later the day it got below the previous day close, and then there was some consolidation and it got rejected, and then that was it. So this is could have been, and coming back to coming to NVDA, it got down below the previous day close. Consolidation, this part is really hard to trade unless someone wants to scalp, but over here, once the day close, there was an immediate retest, and over here it tried to dip below the previous day close, but it all got bought back, and it's away even above from the previous day close. And after it came back to the previous day close, it was all raging over here. And going to Amazon, it was interacting with the previous day close and the previous day low. So over here, at the start, at the open, it got rejected, and there was an immediate retest. It's day close, and then it just goes to down, and when it comes back, it got rejected from the previous day low, and it was going to, this would have been a very good trade. And the MA cloud, it also shows once it comes below the VWAP, which is a white, was downtrending. Palantir, it's a kind of ranging, but some scalpers could, it went to the previous day low and it got bought back, and then once it's reclaimed the previous day close, there was immediate retest and just rip higher, and it come back to the day close again. There was some consolidation, then it's also rejected, got back down, and it come back up on the close to the previous day close, but it also got rejected. And this is just to show how powerful the previous day close can even be used as a trading strategy. If you want to get the script for the automatic, the previous day high, previous day low, the previous day close, and the pre-market high and low, and even the opening range high and low, I will put access in the description below. And thank you for watching.